All right, we're kicking the program off here with Josh Dukeman, farm manager for the Bayer Crop Science Research Farm. And Josh, first of all, thanks for hosting this pre-conference workshop for the National Strip-Tillage Conference. Tell us a little bit about what you guys have going on out here at this farm.
Yeah, I guess first, it's been great. We've had an awesome crowd. Appreciate you guys including us and giving us the opportunity to do this. We've had several stations set up today. I think the growers have taken a lot away from our digital platform. You know, you asked me about the research farm. We're about 1,200 acres of, large scale grower equipment type research. So we're a little unique in that realm. We do anything from density testing on our Precision corn. We do a fair amount of, cover crop work, staying in that sustainability realm. We do a lot of work with fungicides. Gosh, I don't know, I'm getting lost in all of our different trials, but we've got a lot.
Yeah.
And it's tough to go through them all, but I guess the most important thing would be everything is done and recorded through our FieldView platform digitally. And the data return and what we're able to provide some insights into growers is second to none. So
this platform records everything from yield data, applications.
Mm-hmm.
I might be putting you on the spot with this, but any key takeaways jump out from some of the research that you covered here today at the event?
Just in general conversation with the customers or just what we're doing?
Yeah, general conversations, when you were giving your presentations, what are some key points maybe that really resonated with people?
Yeah, I think some of the trial work that I presented, not necessarily on this map, but some of the fungicide blocks, I think the people here were really keyed in on how accurate I was able to dissect R3 applied fungicide versus untreated versus maybe a V5 application. I think they felt it dead on accurate in terms of breaking that stuff out. I also think they learned pretty quickly they can be their own research farm and their entire operation could be very similar to what we're doing here. It just takes getting in the platform and learning how to use it.